But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today's computers are coming with less and less inputs every year and with every model, so it makes it very hard to connect your phone or SD cards or USB drives. Luckily, I found this, so I can connect anything I need all at the same time. This works with your MacBook or MacBook Pro, and the color matches so it looks like an elegant part of your computer. It can connect to your USB, SD cards, TF cards, Thunderbolt, anything. It connects to your MacBook easily with two Thunderbolt outlets that connect right here. And now you can connect anything you need at any time. As we all know, the newer Macs don't come with even one USB port, which is a problem because most devices are compatible with USB, like external hard drives, thumb drives, you name it, which makes this hub a lifesaver. This MacBook adapter is made out of durable metal, so you know it's high quality, and it has much better heat dissipation. The extremely compact design makes it easily portable and saves a lot of desktop space. This RayCue hub adapter works so well. I highly recommend it. Get yours today.
Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.